Okay, students, so I'm continuing the chapter with part 2. So, this is the part 2 of the chapter. You can see these three pictures: leaking tape, leaking pipeline, and leaking of playing with water. Okay, so we have to learn how ways to save water. So, I'm going to read the points and will make you understand. Ways to save water. We can save water by the following ways: turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Collect rainwater and use it for washing cars, cleaning, and utensils. Use a bucket or a watering can to water plants instead of using pipe. Always turn off the tap after use. Get leaking pipelines repaired immediately. Reuse water whenever you can. For example, wash floors, balcony, etc. With the water left after washing clothes, water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be used for water plants. Right. So whenever you brush your teeth, प्लीज़ आप अपने टर्न ऑफ द टैप्स को बंद कर लीजिए. आपका जो भी रेन वाटर आता है उसको कलेक्ट करिए ताकि यू कैन यूज़ you can use your car, you can wash your cars with that and cleaning utensils, right? Then use a bucket of watering can to water plants instead of using a pipe. So most of the people use pipe to water their plants, so instead of that you can use buckets, है ना, and mug. Always turn off the tap after use. Whatever you use, like for whatever the purpose you are using water, you have to turn off the tap if it is not if it is not in the continuation of use, है ना. Suppose if you are brushing your teeth and if you are washing your clothes, then wash it, then turn off it, and then if you want water, then you take it. Okay. गेट लीकिंग पाइपलाइंस रिपेयर इमिजिएटली. जो भी लीकिंग पाइपलाइंस है उसको रिपेयर करवा दीजिए इमिजिएटली ताकि ज़्यादा लीकेज से वाटर वेस्ट ही होगा. रीयूज वाटर वेन एवर यू कैन, और वेन एवर you want to use water, like whenever you are using water in washing clothes, and so you can use that water, like after washing clothes you can use that water planting the trees, like watering the trees, and cleaning the fruits, for that purpose. So do you know one flush of toilet use, oh ओके एक फ्लश जो होता है 24 लीटर ऑफ वाटर. ओके, सो यूज इट प्रॉपरली, है ना. सो वेन एवर यू फ्लश, प्लीज आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर यू वांट. राइट एटलीस्ट 5 slogans on the topic save water in your notebook. So this activity will do. Now let us do. Put a tick on the correct option of the following activities. So bathing, आप buckets यूज़ करेंगे या shower, so I think bucket यूज़ करना चाहिए because shower में flowing हो जाएगा. It can be like waste of water. Close the tap while brushing your teeth. So yes, we should close the tap. Reuse water always, not always but sometimes, because आप नहा के आए हो तो आप वो पानी कैसे यूज़ करोगे. आपने टॉयलेट में फ्लश किया है तो आप वो पानी कैसे यूज़ करोगे. सो रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग इन प्लेसेस वेयर देयर इज स्केर्सिटी मतलब कमी होना, scarcity of water, and in summer rainwater harvesting is an excellent way of storing and saving rainwater for the future use. The rainwater from the roof of the house is collected in a tank with the help of pipe. The sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe or to filter out dirt. Okay, the sloping roof of the earth allows water to drain off easily and collect in the tank. A portion at the bottom of the tank is left uncemented that a small amount of water keeps seeping into the ground. This underground water can be used for various purposes. So बहुत सारी ऐसे places होती हैं जहाँ पे scarcity होती है water की, like there is not much water there. है ना, especially in summers. So rainwater harvesting is a very excellent way to store the water and for future use. The rainwater from the roof of the house is collected in the tank. So whenever the rain comes, so जो भी पानी रहता है, it get collected in the tank with the help of pipe. Okay, you can see that there is a pipe and the water is getting collected, and the water is getting so the collected in the tank with the help of pipe. The sieve is attached to it, और उसी के साथ एक sieve attach होता है. ओके मतलब जिससे क्या होता है, माउथ जो माउथ रहता है, सपोज दिस इज द माउथ ऑफ पाइप, ठीक है, दिस इज द माउथ ऑफ पाइप. तो यहाँ पे एक नेट लगा देते हैं जिससे जो भी डर्ट होता है वो फिल्टर हो जाता है. द स्लोपिंग रूफ, दिस इज द स्लोपिंग रूफ. द स्लोपिंग रूफ ऑफ द हाउस अलाउज वाटर टू ड्रेन ऑफ इजीली एंड कलेक्ट इन द टैंक. सो जो स्लोपिंग हाउस रहते हैं वो ड्रेन जो होता है, जो भी वेस्ट होता है उसको ईजिली स्वाइप आउट कर देता है और टैंक्स में कलेक्ट हो जाता है. द पोर्शन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द टैंक, ठीक है, द पोर्शन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द टैंक is left unsubmitted and that the small amount of water keeps sleeping into the ground. The underground water can be used for various purpose. So the underground water is used for various purpose, not for only like, there are various purpose, you know that. Now time to answer. We should not waste water. True, we should not waste water. We should not turn off the tap while brushing. We should not turn off. This is false. Rainwater harvesting is an excellent way of saving and storing water. True. Okay, so now we have completed the time to answer, and now come to the now I know. So now I know that water is precious. We need to store rainwater. Water is stored in tanks and dams, etc. We must save water, purify and reuse water. So these are the things you know, and there are two words I will make you understand. In rainwater harvesting we understood irrigation. So irrigation, the practice of supplying water in it to an area for channels for the growth of crops. So suppose if there is an area which is not that fertile and there is a need of water, so you you water the plants and irrigate it and make it fertile so the crops grow nicely. Okay, so this is what we called irrigation. So tomorrow I will do the exercise, and we will do the question answers and activity also. So today's activity is this. Activity, write at least 5 slogans on the topic of safe water in notebook. So this is the activity. ठीक है, activity 1. ठीक है, so yeah, so we have completed the chapter. Have a nice day and be prepared for the half yearly exams.